We've installed our VendaVolt M3P 40A charger here in Brooksville in a vending application. It's the first one in Hernando and Citrus counties for the public to be able to use. We set it up with a timer so that the overhead lamp comes on at sundown. This will run from sundown till about midnight. This location is directly across from McDonald's, Popeyes, Zaxby's, and several other fast food restaurants right here in Brooksville on the main highway. Obviously, you can tell by the car traffic. This is on busy Route 41, which heads north and south through Hernando and Citrus County up from Pasco County. Very heavy traffic, and there isn't any place in the two-county area where you can go with your electric vehicle for self-charge. We are the only location, and the first. We haven't put up the new sign yet. We'll have to add that to it. We've ordered a brand new sign that shows EV charger. Currently it's a single station, but later we'll upgrade this probably to a dual station. This is, again, the VendaVolt M3P 40A charger. Very convenient for the customer to either back up or drive up. We've got a 18-foot cord on this particular model. We brought in 220 volts with our timer box and breakaway box. This concludes our little short video on the VendaVolt M3P 40A charger. More information, contact XCP Corp 352-678-3021 or drop us an email. sales@xcpcorp.com. Thank you for watching our video. And by the way, sorry about all the traffic noise.